Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Slack as a virtual assistant. Slack isn't just for chatting, it's a powerful productivity tool for virtual assistants. Whether you're managing tasks, coordination meetings, or staying on top of clients' requests, Slack helps you streamline communications and stay organized in real time. Now let me show you how to make the most of it as a virtual assistant. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to join or set up a workspace. Your clients may invite you to their Slack workspace, or if you manage multiple clients, create your own and invite them. You can create a workspace by clicking on the box in the top left corner and click and add a workspace and click on create a new workspace, or you can join here. You can choose one of these options. Either you sign in to another workspace, join another workspace, or create a new workspace. The second step is to organize channels by clients or projects. Create channels like hashtag client A, hashtag social content, hashtag calendar management, and keep messages grouped and easy to follow. You can also use threads for task follow-ups, reply in threads to keep task discussions neat, and helps you focus and track conversations without clutter. Also pin important messages and documents by pinning client briefs, schedules, and brand assets and access them instantly instead of searching through emails. Also connect Google Calendars, Trello, Notion, and Zoom and automate daily reminders or task updates inside Slack. You can also use status like working on, client's name's task, or on a break, and keep communication clear without constant messages. Also, use Slack's schedule feature to send messages at optimal times. It's great if you work across time zones. As a virtual assistant, Slack helps you stay on top of everything, communicates clearly, and show you professionalism. Set it up well, use integration wisely, and you'll become an indispensable part of any remote team. Remember to use tools like Slackbot reminders to never miss a deadline or a follow-up. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.